sunshine. It is too freaking hot. It is too hot. It is too hot. It's 106 degrees outside. I'm sweating profusely. But guess what? I'm gonna power through anyway because I got both my Boxycharms today in the mail. That never happens. I usually get like them one at a time. But in the mail today, I got both of them. So today is a great day. So how are you doing? I hope you're holding up well in this heat. But today we're gonna unbox my July Boxycharm boxes. I'm actually untied with this. That is shocking. Who am I? I don't even know. So in case you've never heard of Boxycharm, what's up? So this is I'm assuming this is me making assumptions. I'm assuming that this is my regular Boxycharm box, which is like $22 a month. And in it, you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And then this box right here is my Boxycharm, assuming premium box, which is $35 a month. And in it, you get like 10 to 12 full-size products. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the big boy. We're gonna open him up. We're gonna see what's inside. Hiya! Okay, so I'm so excited. Bigger boxes, bigger packages, bigger surprises. It's the Boxycharm premium box. Okay, so we're gonna open him up. I got my scissors, I got my drink, I got my table. We are set up for success, except for the powder that's on my shirt, so we're gonna ignore that. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the foam to do. Goodbye. Okay, and now that has messed up the entire thing. So we're just gonna look ahead. We're gonna look at this. Ooh, I see some gold reflective packaging. So it says Boxycharm Sunshine. Oh my gosh, that's like me. I would say, hey, Sunshine. Okay, so and then on the back, it has all of the information of what is inside of this box. So let's get into it. I'm very, very excited. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this. Ooh, it says Bitter Green Essence Toner from Bayreuth, New York. Also, before we get into this too far into this video, as you can see, half of my hair is black, and so that is causing some staining on my nails that I can't get rid of. So like literally this hand is a lot darker, like my nail beds are a lot darker on this hand, but I'm fine. It's just my hair dye. Okay, back to the scheduled Boxycharm unboxing. So this is what the package looks like. I have no idea what's inside of it, but it says bitter green, so I'm hoping this bad boy is green. Ooh, it's like a pretty teal color. What is this? Essence toner. It looks like the same consistency as like aloe vera gel. Honestly, to me, it kind of looks like sunburn cream. So it just says, after cleansing, gently sweep bitter green essence toner over the face and neck using your fingertips. Applying morning and night, can be used daily. So I don't know what this is supposed to do. And it doesn't really have a scent, but I can tell you that the packaging is cute and I love the color of the product inside. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I see this Nelson J. Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. That is fancy. So it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body. Where has this been my entire life? Holy crap, I meant to clap, but I hit my wrist instead. After shampoo, apply moisture healing mask to towel dried hair and leave in for 1 minute, then rinse. So I have to shampoo my hair, get out of the shower, dry my hair off, put this in, get back in the shower, leave it stand there in the shower for 1 minute, and then rinse it off. That sounds like a lot of work, but hey, I really don't put any effort into my hair. The most effort I put into it is every 2 or 3 months. Dyeing it, that's about the maximum effort that I put in. Sometimes I brush it. Most of the time, I just throw it up in a bun and call it the day. So, but I don't know. If it really helps do all that, it's really worth the effort, in my opinion. Okay, and then we got a couple more things in here. I see this really cool, this thingy. So let's see. It says, again, if you've never been on my channel before, I can't pronounce words for crap. It is literally my worst personality trait. Cuticle oil, milk and honey. Cuticle oil. Ooh, look at this fun. This is so fun. Okay, so this is really fun. I don't really do anything with my cuticles. I don't know if that like most people do. Is that something that I'm supposed to be doing? Is taking care of my cuticles? I'm not really sure here. So Apply 1 drop of cuticle revitalizer to each cuticle. Massage gently. Can be used daily. Well, that's something very different for Boxycharm. That's not something that I've ever seen before. And I love the packaging of it. Okay, here I have a palette. So this is the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon collection. Ooh, I want to be a Hollywood icon. Just kidding, I really don't. That seems like a lot of pressure. And I'm not ready for all that. So I'm going to pop this bad boy open. It has stuff in it. I was trying to read the back, but I moved it too fast. So it has bronzer. Ooh! Oh! God, why can't I open it? Okay. Ooh! Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so we've got bronzer in here. We got translucent powder, highlighter, blush, matte eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna just hold the brush and hope for the best. Look at how pretty. Ooh. So I don't know what this is supposed to be, the blush. That's coming off like very like warm brown to me. So I don't know if that's something that I would ever use, but I absolutely, this is calling my name. Hello, how are you? Love it. Okay, so that is super cute. I'm down. I don't feel like I've ever seen the Brow Bar send out any like eyeshadow, anything from them. I only have brow products from them, hence the title of the brand. But I think that palette is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Are you serious right now? You are not playing with me. This is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. Yes, I haven't seen or heard anything from Manny MUA in a hot minute. This is an eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I can't wait to open it up. We're gonna open it up right now. It's got bubble wrap, so you know what that means. We're gonna have to take a bubble wrap break. Maybe, if I can ever get this eyeshadow palette out. Ooh, bubble wrap break. This is our worst ever bubble wrap break. Is this the bubble wrap that doesn't bubble wrap? Okay, I'm sorry for that unsatisfying bubble wrap break. Yep, I'm giving up now. Okay, let's see what's inside of this palette that I almost dropped. So pretty. Okay, I'm so excited to see what's in this. I'm expecting, before I open this up, I'm just gonna place my expectations of what's inside this palette out on the table. I'm expecting bright colors. I'm expecting some fiesta party. We're gonna go dancing colors. That's what I'm expecting. I've never seen this palette, so. Okay, not what I was expecting. Here's the palette. I mean, I'm so excited. I've got something from Manny MUA and Morphe in here. So that's super, super exciting. It's just, it's a little bit like a lot of the other palettes that I feel like I've seen recently. However, loving this over here. That's super cute. So, I mean, okay, here are some positives. I love the Aries color. That's really pretty. It's definitely something that like everybody can wear. Like I was looking for a palette or expecting a palette that was like boom makeup and like only really would exclusively speak to people that are in the makeup community for like the art purpose of it. But if you get Boxycharm, you may not be in the beauty community like that. So this is definitely a palette that like everybody can wear. So that's amazing that Boxycharm sent something that's very inclusive. And then the last thing that I got in here is this, oh my goodness, it is milk. I'm so excited. Kush Lash Primer. Ooh, extra high volume. Wait, does it say that because of like marijuana? Is that why it says Kush? Why is it named Kush? It says thickening heart-shaped fibers prime with a layer of weightless volume to take your lashes even higher. Hemp-derived cannabis oil conditions for healthier looking lashes. Okay, and then the name of this is White Widow. So since this is a primer, I was like, whoa, White Widow, I have white mascara. How amazing is that? But it's a primer, so that was a heavy duty. This is a heavy primer. Okay, so excited. Ooh, it is white. That is so fun. It doesn't really, it actually kind of smells kind of sweet. So we ain't playing around. You can kill somebody with that mascara. Okay, let's talk about pricing. So the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette, it's a retail value of $20. Okay, that is so affordable. Knowing that it's $20, I thought that was gonna be like a $35, $40 palette. Knowing that that's $20, that is a really amazing deal. So like, round of applause for Manny MUA and Morphe. The Bitter Essence Toner has a retail value of $95. $95. You heard me right. You don't even have to turn up the volume and replay that. I said $95. The Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer has a retail value of $24. The Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask has a retail value of $24. The Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Face Kit has a retail value of $45. And the Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil has a retail value of $18. Okay, so let's see what's inside of the July Boxycharm box. I'm very excited to see what's inside of here. Okay, so open it up. We have the Sunshine card in here again. The foam. Oh, I'm seeing something so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and see what this is because it's so pretty. So this is from Almar Cosmetics, which I love them. I got introduced to their company through Boxycharm, and I still have a palette that I got from them from, I don't know, maybe a year or two ago. And whenever I use that palette, I always get so many compliments on my eyeshadow look. I just love the teals. I don't remember what the name of the palette is. I feel like they only have like a palette or two, but it's their eyeshadow palette, and it is so beautiful. So this will just give you a better idea of what this is and what it looks like. So it says birthday suit. I don't know if, I'm assuming that this is a lip gloss. Ooh, oh, I love the color. Holy crap. This is gonna be like, I just love like the naturalness to this. Like, oh, that is so pretty. I can't wait to use this every day. Okay, absolutely love that. And it's not like super sticky. And it's not making my throat burn, which is always a good thing. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Clean Skin Club. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Need. Oh my gosh, Boxycharm is killing it. So this is watermelon. It says watermelon, green tea, and pineapple on it. This super potent Vitamin C Brightening Booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin while naturally gives a younger, regenerated look. Oh, I'm all about this. So, oh, my thing is so bright. Now you can probably see, boom, so much better. That is so exciting. Okay, I'm loving this. Okay, what else I have in here? The Cramp Shop and Next Gen Blender Set. Triple cut sponge. Ooh. Yes, I need some new beauty blenders. I'm finding, and this is kind of gross, but if I don't properly like take care of my beauty blenders, I discovered this lesson the hard way the other day. The outside of my beauty blenders are like molding. I've never had that problem before. But so it's really weird that I now am having this problem. But I'm so excited to have these because I'm getting low on beauty blenders because all of mine are molding. The next thing that I have in here is this Studio Makeup Cream Shadow. What an absolutely beautiful color. Oh my goodness, my phone is just, we're not agreeing today. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. I love cream eyeshadows. Just swipe and you're done. And that is really, really reflective too. And the last thing that I have in this Boxycharm is this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise, but I just can't get over the gold holographic of this palette. Like, look how stunning that is. Okay, and then in here, oh, it's just bronzer, but hey, look at that. That is so pretty. A little bit of love for every skin tone. Oh my gosh, that is really, really pretty. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my regular Boxycharm box. So the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster has a retail value of $49.95. The Endurance Cream Shadow has a retail value of $25. This palette has a retail value of $30. The Almar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss, which is my favorite product in this month's box, has a retail value of $15. And the Next Gen Blender Set has a retail value of $22. So that is everything that I got in my July Boxycharm boxes. What was your favorite box and what was your favorite item? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.